Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in again. Please go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please like and share, we appreciate it. Today we got a 2014 International Prostar automatic transmission, 514,000 miles on the odometer, double bunk sleeper. While we're doing a walk around, I'll let you know that all of our trucks are fleet purchased vehicles, meaning they're fleet maintained. When we get every truck in, we have a third-party shop that goes through every truck very thoroughly, makes any and all necessary repairs, and each truck comes with a fresh DOT inspection. Always trying to make sure each truck is ready to be put to work for you right away. Got aluminum steers and aluminum drives. This truck does have a tri-pack unit available on it. Also, feel free to check us out online. Our website is exceleratetrucks.com. As you see there on the mud flaps, there's also a link in the description. We manage that each day with our accurate inventory. You can also check us out on social media platforms, Facebook and Instagram. Also, the 2014 International Prostar does not take the DEF fluid. It does not take the fluid. Here's the odometer. 514,967. Automatic transmission. AC is blowing very cold right now. Double bunk sleeper. Go ahead and roll the hood. Again, this is a 2014 International Prostar automatic transmission, 514,000 on the odometer, double bunk sleeper. Again, please check us out online at exceleratetrucks.com. That website is updated and managed daily with our accurate inventory. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram as well. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get all notifications. And please like and share. Thanks.